Hey everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. This is the Captain Drone annual sticker giveaway. So every year I give away thousands of Captain Drone stickers to anybody who writes to me. Yes, you can get your own Captain Drone stickers for free. Now I've been doing this giveaway for about the past 3 or 4 years, maybe even longer, I'm not really sure. And what I really love, and my wife loves it as well, is every time someone gets these stickers any place in the world, they will place them on their RC products or other products they have, and then sometimes send us a photo, and I share it with my wife and she thinks it's pretty cool. So now, after many years of doing the sticker giveaway, I actually have friends who travel the world, and every now and then they come across a Captain Drone sticker from one of you who has placed the sticker in your country on something you own. So this Captain Drone branding thing is doing quite well. But more importantly, my wife Nikki loves to read your comments when you write to ask for the stickers, and she does the penmanship on every single envelope to every one of you who gets the stickers. Now, as many of you know who have the Captain Drone stickers, they are vinyl stickers, which means you can place them on anything. They can get wet, they won't come off. Now the good thing is when you do take them off, they don't really leave a mark. But to get them on any product that's not a flat surface, all you do is heat them up with a heat gun and you can stretch them into any shape you wish. Now, before we get into the sticker giveaway, let's address the facial hair. I thought many of you realize that people that grow facial hair in the month of November, it's for the Movember cause. The Movember cause has been around for, I don't know, over 10 years. It's very popular in Canada and probably the United States. And what it is basically in the month of November, men grow facial hair. And basically it's just to signify awareness for men's health issues such as prostate cancer, testicular cancer, men's suicide. I'm sure many of you have come across friends, relatives, family who have those issues or have one of those issues or all of those issues. So I'll put a link below to Movember and you can go check it out. And I should also add that my wife Nikki is also warming up to my scruffy facial hair look, and she's asked me to hang on to it until maybe the end of December. So you'll probably see me with facial hair until the end of December. Okay, so now back to the stickers. So last year I had a budget of 3,000 Canadian dollars to give away stickers. That $3,000 is to pay for the stamps, the envelopes, and the stickers, because they're not free to me. And because a large number of you want the stickers, well then when they're gone, they're gone. So what I do is I only run the giveaway for 48 hours. If you don't get your request in within those 48 hours, you're not getting stickers this year. But if you do get your request in, you're probably getting stickers this year, and that means I'm giving stickers to wherever you live in the world. In addition, you do not have to be a subscriber of this channel to get the free stickers. I'm just hoping that when you receive the stickers, if you're not a subscriber, you'll be a subscriber then. So to get the stickers, you will have to send me an email to this address. Check it out. That's where you have to send an email. In the email, you will have to answer 3 questions. What's your name? What's your mailing address? And you'll have to answer 1 skill testing question. Well, there's no skill. You just click on a link. I ask a question. You click on the link. There's the answer. You write the answer below. The reason I always put a question in these little things is because it's a giveaway, and a giveaway should be a contest. So I make it seem like a contest, but it's not a contest. You're getting the stickers for free. Just make sure you put the correct answer. So the sticker giveaway starts now. Send an email to this little email address here. Answer the 3 questions and I will mail you the stickers. Well, I won't mail them to you. My wife Nikki handles all that because I want nothing to do with it. And if you write any comment to Nikki, she will write back to you. She does that. I don't know how she has the time for it, but she does it. So just to reiterate once again, the contest starts now. Send an email, answer the 3 questions, send everything to this address. The contest ends at this time and date. If you send me an email after this time and date, well, then you're never getting any stickers. But if you send it before that time and date, you are guaranteed to get the stickers. So that's it. That's the sticker giveaway for the year 2023 that many of you have been waiting for. So enjoy the free stickers. I'll catch you in a future video with a product review. But for now, I say thanks for watching this one and catch you in the next video. Bye.